Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to increase sound on any Poco phone. Now first of all, just check the speakers on your smartphone and make sure they are not blocked by any dust or debris. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just go to the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, just increase the sliders and check if this increases the volume. Just like that. Now from here, once you have done that, just scroll down and tap on sound effects. Now from here, tap on graphic equalizer. Now from here, just check each sound profile and check if this increases the volume on your smartphone. Or you can select custom and you can create your own sound profile. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now from here, tap on accessibility. Now once you have done that, tap on hearing. Now from here, make sure you enable mono audio. And this is how you can increase the sound on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.